I created the pressure, huh?
That's a tough line.
Got a little,
You got a seashell on your car?
No. It's too narrow for us to come in at that angle. Way too narrow.
It's hard for me.
You take the seashell to that dirty party and then use everybody with how you make cakes. Oh shit, my dick like fucking over. You know what this is?
Yeah, that's what I did too. My pumpkin,
yeah.
my front pumpkin catches that rock and just steers me around.
Fucking shit.
You touched.
Okay,
I wouldn't mind putting cap axles in this thing, but oh, Demon, look at this fucking guy. Oh, I wouldn't mind putting cap axles in this thing, but I think the weight of the truck will snap them. I would have to have I would have to have the super shafty ones.
Yeah, I'm not making
I don't think I'm gonna make it.
Oh, you'll make it.
I think the gate's in the wrong spot.
You got the cell.
Fucking thing. I know the servo not sick. This truck does the same thing. Does the same thing. Plows.
I'm gonna try something else.
That lip is gonna make you plow. There you go, cross the.
That's what I was trying to do.
No, you should have stayed. You should have stayed crab and then clicked over the full steer. There. Now crab the other way to get your. Go for it.
I know. Give me a second to think about this.
Come on, crab! Crawl! Four-wheel steer! Rear steer only. Come on, John. Confuse them. Oh, you're gonna touch. You're gonna touch. Don't wait. All right, there. Try
Hold
now.
on. It's gonna give me a second
Back
to
up a
think.
little bit more. Four-wheel steer. Rear steer. Front steer. Crab. Crawl.
That's what I had to do.
You got it. Now you got it. Now you're cooking with Crisco.
Come on, engage more capacity.
Yeah. GoPro, stop.
There you go.
Right before you made that.
Yeah, you need forward steer for that one.
And portal.
And a lighter truck probably so you can not get plowed off the rock.
Oh, I see the way you take that line.
You had to
don't have
grab it that
portals,
way.
Your pump